Vexels is doing a Halloween sale starting today, October 27th, and it goes until the end of October 31st. They're offering 43% off on their annual plans and 40% off on their lifetime plans, which I recommend because it's a one-time payment, it gives you lifetime licensing, and it will save you money in the long run. But here's the fun part. In honor of Halloween, they're throwing in an extra treat for everyone. If you sign up using my link, you'll receive a mystery box with extra prizes like bundles, design requests, and more. The prizes will be revealed at the end of the sale, and lifetime purchases receive more treats. If you're looking for ways to increase your efficiency, improve your designs, and make more sales, Vexels is a great investment for someone like myself with no design skills. Sign up now with the link in the description. And you have lifetime 43% off on their life. I can see you shaking and laughing. But here's the catch. Ah! But here's the catch. Oh my gosh!